Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing work permits, specifically Thai work permits and maintenance of work permits here in the Kingdom. And we're specifically discussing it in the context of company ownership. I hear a lot of people ask, okay, I'd like to get a work permit in Thailand. And my immediate response to that is, well, work permits are often misunderstood by the general public, especially those who haven't been in Thailand very long. Work permits, work authorization, although it does pertain to the individual seeking the permit, at the same time, the entity that obtains the permit is actually a Thai company, generally speaking. It could theoretically be another type of entity, a partnership, for example, that type of thing. But it generally needs to be some type of entity. A person is not granted a work permit without a sponsor, specifically a business sponsor, usually a corporate sponsor. So as a practical matter, yes, a company is necessary. Now, does that necessarily mean the individual for whom the work permit is issued needs to own the company? Not necessarily. Those who work for a company here in Thailand can obtain a work permit. The company will obtain it on their behalf. If one wishes to be self-employed in Thailand and maintain their work authorization correctly pursuant to the law, then yes, a company is generally going to be needed in order to maintain one's status pursuant to the relevant laws of the Kingdom of Thailand. So you're going to need to go ahead and set up some kind of a corporate structure, and then that corporate structure is going to need to go ahead and sponsor that individual for a work permit. It should also be noted that a Thai business visa is generally going to be needed in order to come into the kingdom in proper lawful status, and that status needs to provide a platform for work permit application. A business visa can do that. In certain circumstances, an O visa, especially an O visa issued for relationship to a Thai national, most notably marriage, may be possible to act as a platform for a work permit. And then after one has their necessary visa, they come into Thailand, they go ahead and get their work permit issued, and the corporate sponsor, and that corporate sponsor may be virtually wholly owned by the individual that's obtaining the work permit, that corporate sponsor, that corporation still is the one that is acting as the sponsor for the permit itself. So while it's not necessary per se, in order to get a work permit, there needs to be some sort of corporate entity lurking isn't the right word, but sort of around in the background to go ahead and provide sponsorship for the permit to be issued in order for a foreign national to receive work authorization in the Kingdom of Thailand. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.